Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change to decimal on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar, type in Betmgm. Once you press enter, you will get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it'll ask you to select your location. Now from this list, select your location, and once you have done so, it'll take you to its home page. Once you're on this page, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this sign up button. And if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Once you click on it, it'll ask you to enter your login details. So enter your credential on these boxes, then click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have clicked on the login button, you'll be logged into your account. And once you're logged in, what you'll have to do is click on your profile at the top right corner. And once this menu opens up, you'll have to click on this option where it says betting preferences. Once you click on it, select this third option that says odds display. Once you click on it, it will give you three options: American, fraction, and decimal. You'll have to select third option to get decimal and then click on this save button. Once you have done so, your odds will be displayed in decimal from now on. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.